Hi, this is Ron from Lancelot Video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit and import from your mobile device in Camtasia 2021. The first thing we're going to need to do is extract the media from your mobile device, in this case, my iPhone. You just hook up your USB and you'll hear that sound, and that sound means that your media is being extracted from your mobile device onto your desktop computer. Now here's my desktop computer. Go ahead and search for Apple iPhone. Once we do that, go into internal storage, click on DCIM, and go into this folder where I have my video that I want to export into Camtasia. I'll just go ahead and drag it onto my desktop. So I have the footage in Camtasia, as you can see here in the media bin, the default library. The way I did that was hitting the plus sign, go and import media to library. This opens up a new window. Go to your desktop. And then we go ahead and pull our video by clicking the Open tab. And before I bring this footage down from our library into our timeline, I want to make sure that our canvas size is correct by going into File, Project Settings, and then here you can choose your canvas dimensions. Usually I go with 1080p, that's what I use for our YouTube channel, and then hit Apply. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this footage down from our media bin onto our timeline. Now you may notice if you do bring in your footage that it may not be correctly sized, so you'll have to arrange it properly by clicking on the green circle here to the right and making it right side up. There you go. Now depending on your footage, you can actually enlarge it or decrease the size. You should always keep in mind that if your media is coming from your camera, the footage may not be as clear. Now I'll go ahead and play the footage. And if I want to play with the audio as well, you can either edit audio with the video, or you can actually separate the audio and video by clicking right and going to separate audio and video. So that is how you extract media from your mobile device into Camtasia. In other videos, I'll show you how we could set up our libraries. In this video, I only showed you how to do a default library, but as you can see here, I have other libraries that I set up as well. That concludes our video for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.